Okay guys, so now we've started to add some extra features into the Lead Blaster software, and you can see here that with these Chrome extensions that we're building, we can put in here some opt-in forms as well, with some fields that you can require or not require. It's entirely up to you. Here's what's important about what we're doing here. You can see that I've been working here within the sort of dashboard of the Chrome developer console. And what I've noticed is that you can rank for keywords, even competitive keywords, just by having those keyword phrases within your description in here. So for example, okay, let's just open this one up, YouTube SEO checklist. You can see we're ranking #1 for that one. Now that's not got huge traffic volume, so what I did is I went over into Keyword Keg and I went looking for keywords that would fit the content of my YouTube SEO checklist. Okay, and here for example, what is YouTube SEO? You can see 2,900 searches per month, cost per click $4.17. And if I come over here, what I'll do is I'll use fat rank, so you can check on the page itself what is YouTube SEO, and you can see we're number 13, and all I did was this little paragraph here. Okay, so I'm re-optimizing this, so I put it in another once or twice within the paragraph underneath, like what is YouTube SEO, so we can get ranking higher. Even then, it would take some click-through rates it would take some CTR clicks from the search results and some dwell time, retention time on the actual Chrome store to bump the rankings for that into page 1. That's the 2,900 search volume keyword. Okay, let's see, we've got some more here. If I come down, YouTube keyword tool, I've started to optimize for that one now. I'm actually writing out a bigger, more comprehensive description just for the fact that you can use 16,000 characters. Okay, and we can rank for multiple keywords just by adding those keyword phrases within the actual description. It's just crazy stuff. So let's see what else we got here. There was another one or two that was around about 2,400. YouTube keyword tool, I don't think I've got that in there yet, but I'll copy it anyway. We might not be ranking for this one. I might have not updated that particular. Yeah, we're there to page 22. I mean, that's another 2,400. Yeah. YouTube SEO, let's see if we're ranking for that. Come into fat rank. And again, if you've seen any of my case studies, number 12. Okay, if you've seen any of my case studies with the Video Attack Alpha, you will know how easy it is to bump these position page 2 and page 3 into page 1. And that's just, very simply adding some text in here. Now, what you will notice here is that as I've been updating in here in real time, I've got 5,485 characters used out of 16,000. You can really put a lot of keyword phrases in here as long as it's making sense and as long as it matches the content of your checklist or your step-by-step guide, whatever it might be. So I started to write it out, and you can see here I've got this large description being built out, and I've even started to do like this, where we're looking for the people also ask questions like, what is YouTube for SEO? And you click on that and it expands, and I'm taking these questions and I'm taking the snippets that these people are answering with, that they're ranking with, and I'm rewording them. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. I mean, this is really seriously easy stuff to do for optimizing and for getting rankings. So we can get rankings just by using these keywords. Okay, that means you're getting traffic for years, probably for many years, just because you put that work in initially to make it a really good comprehensive kind of checklist. Now have a look at this here. Fat rank by keyword rank, fat rank by Fat Joe. It's a keyword rank checker that I've just showed you how to use there. He's got 30,000 users. Now it doesn't tell you when you're like 38,000 or something like that. My extension here has got 3,000 plus, but I can tell you it's about 3,800. Okay, so he might have about 38,000. But when you go to open up his Chrome extension the first time, you have to opt in. You have to give him an email. Okay, and that's really important because that means he's built an email list of over 30,000 SEO people with a simple little Chrome extension. Okay, powerful stuff. And we can do the same. We have just added that functionality in here as well, so we can ask people to give us a name, email and telephone if you want to do like SMS marketing as well, which we're going to build into the system as well. So what else we can do here that's different? Well, we've added some settings for email services. So we've got different email services: Aweber, MailChimp, BirdSend. BirdSend is the same people that built Zaxa.com. A very good system, $49 a month. It's about a quarter or a fifth of the price of like Aweber, for example. MailerLite is pretty good. SendFox is awesome. Okay, by Noah Kagan, AppSumo. Okay, pay $49 one time. You don't even have to set up SMTP. Okay, it's already set up for you. All that kind of stuff. It's lifetime. For 5,000 subscribers, if you got 20, you buy it 4 times. You stack it 4 times, and you got it lifetime. You never have to pay it again. So BirdSend I thought was good at $49. Before that, I used to use MailerLite. I thought that was really good. Then BirdSend came along, which is even cheaper, and now SendFox has come along, which is even better. Okay, so that one works well. The first email I sent with SendFox, I got 30% open rate. I've never seen that before with an IM list. And it's, you know, it's very, very good system. $49 one time, buy the SendFox and you're in a good place, especially working with this application that we're building here, because this is something fantastic. This is something that is powerful. So we can see just from an SEO Chrome extension from the Fat Joe guys that 30,000 email opt-ins is very, very possible. What if we could scale it up? How do we scale it up? Well, we send more traffic. How do we send more traffic? Look at the keywords that we're ranking for. That will drive some traffic. Other traffic we can drive by doing a video. So for example, if I've got a video on here where I've got my screenshot here, I can also put some videos on here. Okay, and that will get some more views on the videos, and that means the video is going to start ranking because we increase the watch time, etc., etc. Okay, that gets more people coming from YouTube into the checklist to get the checklist for free, etc. And that means more and more traffic and more people just building that email list all the time. We can even drive some, 1 cent cost per view YouTube views, and yes, you can get 1 cent cost per view, and yes, they can be targeted. We've done case studies on that, and I'll do some more as well. So if you want to get a hold of this, time is running out. Okay, time is running out because we said 25 people maximum, and that has not been taken up. But regardless, I'm going to stop. And the reason I'm going to stop is because we will continue with the lifetime offer, but it's going to be a much higher price. Okay, I've got people waiting to do webinars for this tool, and they want 50% commissions. So therefore, what we're selling right now for $997 is going to be $1,997. So at some point, I have to say, enough is enough. We've sold as many as we could sell right now for the lifetime prices. Right now, you can get it like half price if you buy direct from me. But if we have to wait another week, maybe even less, when it comes to the first webinar that we do, it's going to be $1,997. So the affiliates can get the 50%, and we will still get our $997 that we require to be able to maintain tools like this, because this is something very, very special. It's going to build your email list on autopilot. It's going to drive a lot of traffic for you, and it's going to give you a massive advantage when you're doing bonuses for launch promotions, when you're just trying to build an email list by giving great information. If you want to do things like content upgrades on, if you're into blogging and stuff on it, it's perfect. It's really perfect for that kind of thing, and it's something that you can update in real time, which I was never able to do before. But now we've got the application inside Lead Blaster, we can actually go and do that. We can just go and update in real time anything in here. Just need to click on edit the app. I can go into the theme. I can change a different color. We've got blue light right now, so I can go to, say, cyan dark, click on apply, And now when I open in the Chrome browser the checklist, you can see the color has changed. Okay, perfect. I mean, you can update anything in the categories as well. If it's one thing, 5 things, 10 things, it doesn't matter. You can change links. Every single one of these items can have a link next to it as well. This is super, super powerful stuff. Anyway, so last few days once we have got the first webinar with an affiliate, then the price goes up to $1,997. That will give you the full version of everything, including when we build the iOS app version and the Android app version. There's another price right now, it's $497, which is just for the Chrome extension version, which is what we have got right now, and we're still building out as we're doing this, so there's more to come, a lot more to come. There's some very, very cool stuff to come for this particular software. Right now it's $497. When we start to do the webinars with affiliates, that goes up to $997. So if you can, grab it now, because this is something very, very special. The price is not coming down. The price can only go up. And then once we have done the webinar circuit, what we will do is we will be doing something like 10 Chrome extensions, only Chrome extensions per year for $197. And you can delete one and replace it with another one, but you've got maximum of 10 for that price. If you want 20, it'll be double the price, etc., etc., because we have to keep the value for this, because otherwise we create a huge amount of competition for ourselves. So we want to get it out there, but at the same time we want to be able to control it and make sure that we don't lose the value of the tool and the strategy as well. So anyway, if you can grab it, get it. It's a superb tool. It's going to change your business. It can literally change your business. It's that good, and it's done that for me multiple times in the past before as well. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll put a link underneath the video so you can go and check out the sales page. Thanks, bye bye.